Hi, and in this video, I'm going to share the most important thing for you to do to be valued by a man. Welcome back. Matt Shaffer, your empowerment, connection, and relationship coach. I am a former attorney who decided to use his powers for good and has committed his life to supporting women and creating more fulfilling relationships with men and with themselves. And today I'm here to share with you the biggest thing that I think women can focus on, the biggest thing women can do to create value in the eyes of men that they're looking to know. If you have a man that you are looking to create a meaningful, powerful relationship with, this one thing is going to really help you do that. And I'm going to explain it to you in just a second, but before I do, take a second, hit that little subscribe button, and don't forget to click the link in the comments or caption. I've created some great training that I know is going to make a huge difference for you in your relationships. Now let's unpack this, right? This tip is going to be about how to create value in the eyes of a man that you're looking to get to know, right? Because you want him to become invested in you. You want him to be drawn in towards you and inspired by you. It starts with a phrase that I want you to really listen to me as I say it to you, okay? It's that men perceive value much more through actions than through words. So you want to demonstrate your value to a man much more than tell him your value. I'm not saying that telling him your value and telling him what you're worth verbally doesn't have some impact. It absolutely can, but your actions have much more weight and they're going to land with him much deeper. Operating from that space, this is what I want you to do. I want you to make yourself your first priority. Make yourself your first priority. I want you to make this a mantra for you, something that you say to yourself on a regular basis. I am my top priority. And that gets to guide your actions. And here's something, that is not selfish. It is not selfish to make yourself your top priority. I work with a lot of clients who every time they get into a relationship, what do? They have a tendency to give everything to that relationship and put their needs, put their priorities, put their hobbies, put their passions on the back burner for the sake of this relationship, for the sake of this man's interests that they're getting to know. And I'm going to tell you right now, when you do that, you devalue yourself to him. You think you're creating this higher value with him because you're giving him so much. That martyrdom that you're doing for him, it's not going to generate the sort of connection that you want. It's actually going to make him devalue you and pull away from you a little bit. So again, what's that mantra? Make yourself your first priority. Embrace your hobbies and your passions. Maintain your circle of friends. Maintain your social calendar outside of your relationship. I'm not saying don't make time for this guy that you're dating. Absolutely do that, but also demonstrate to him through the way that you live your life that he does not get to dominate every aspect of your life. He doesn't get to be the sole focus of your life. He's going to be a part of your life. He's going to be a priority, but he's not going to be your first priority. You are going to be your first priority. And if you do that, if you demonstrate to him that you're putting yourself first consistently, and also making time for him at the same time, he's going to see that you are ready for partnership. You're not looking for a codependent relationship, right? You're actually looking for a partnership, which is very freeing and very attractive to him. And he's going to see you as that high value woman that he wants in his life as an equal and as a partner, not as somebody who's looking to make their happiness his responsibility. Because I'll be the first person to tell you too, that if a man feels that you are making your happiness his responsibility all the time, that becomes very heavy and that can also devalue you and push him away from you. So if you're able to demonstrate this in all aspects of your life and all aspects of your relationship, that while he is a priority, he is not your first priority. You're going to be very high value to him and he's going to want to get to know you better and get into deeper levels of relationship with you. So I hope this resonated with you. If it did, take a second, hit that little subscribe button, and don't forget to click the link in the comments and caption. I've created a great training for you, and I know you're gonna love it. Thanks so much for stopping by my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.